and he also has appreciated us a lot.
Meghalaya, being situated in seismic zone 5, is highly vulnerable to earthquakes. To prepare itself for any eventuality, the Meghalaya State Disaster is organizing mock earthquake preparedness exercise in all the 12 districts of the state. The district administration are entrusted to identify at least 5 locations in each district. Chairing the meeting, Commissioner and Secretary Revenue and Disaster Management Department Sanjay Goyal said the respective district administration is doing time-to-time safety audits of the old and vulnerable buildings in the state.
Those instructions have been given to the Deputy Commissioners concerned as the part of their District Disaster Management Authority. They are empowered under the Disaster Management Act of 2005 to carry out the assessment of these structures and take appropriate action. This is a continuous exercise, and the Deputy Commissioners concerned are mandated to undertake this exercise and declare, if it is required, those buildings which are unsafe for habitation or are hazardous, to declare them as unsafe and take appropriate action under the Act.
The